Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2020 Mercedes-Benz A180D AMG Line Executive. This is a saloon variant of the A Class 2020 model, and I'm just going to run through the specification of this car, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the vehicle. To begin with, on the exterior you have the gloss black paintwork with the AMG exterior styling, which includes the AMG design alloy wheels, the AMG front and rear bumpers, privacy glass for the rear windows, the LED headlights, LED tail lights, and also a half leather and half fabric interior with the contrast red stitching across the seating, the AMG design steering wheel with the touch controls and cruise control accessible from the right hand side. You've also got the touchpad on the centre console, the gloss black piano trims, the multi-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and in this particular model the upgraded central display screens you can see, which connect across from the centre console display to the display behind the steering wheel. From the centre console display itself, which is also a touchscreen display, you can access features including your DAB radio, your satellite navigation, and also your reversing camera. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.